Unlocking security, the basics of installing deadbolts. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a practical aspect of home security that everyone should know about: installing deadbolts. Whether you're a homeowner looking to enhance your security or just curious about how it works, this video will guide you through the basics of deadbolts, why they're important, and how to install them. Let's bolster our knowledge and our doors together. A deadbolt is a locking mechanism distinct from a spring bolt lock because a deadbolt cannot be moved to the open position except by rotating the lock cylinder with the key. This makes it much more resistant to entry without the correct key. Deadbolts come in several types, including single-cylinder and double-cylinder models, each serving different security needs. Single-cylinder deadbolts are operated with a key from the outside and a turn knob from the inside, while double-cylinder deadbolts require a key for both sides, offering extra security but also posing potential safety concerns in emergency situations. Installing deadbolts on your exterior doors significantly enhances your home's security. Unlike standard locks that are easily compromised, deadbolts provide a higher level of protection against break-ins. They are a physical barrier to entry and a visual deterrent to potential intruders. Security and peace of mind are the main benefits here, making it a worthy investment for any homeowner. Before installing a deadbolt, you need to gather the right tools and materials. Typically, you'll need a deadbolt lock kit, a drill and drill bits, a screwdriver, a tape measure, a pencil for marking. Measure the door and the spot where you'll be installing the deadbolt carefully. Ensure that the deadbolt will be positioned at a suitable height and that it won't interfere with any other hardware on the door. 1. Mark the position of the deadbolt on the door and the door frame. 2. Drill holes for the deadbolt in the door and the frame as specified in the deadbolt's instructions. 3. Insert the deadbolt into the door and secure it with screws. 4. Install the strike plate on the door frame using screws. 5. Test the deadbolt to ensure it locks and unlocks smoothly. This process might vary slightly depending on the specific deadbolt model, so always refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Congratulations! You now understand the basics of deadbolts and how to install them. Not only have you taken a significant step towards improving your home security, but you've also expanded your DIY skills. We hope this video has been informative and empowering. Remember, taking small steps to secure your home can make a big difference in your overall safety and peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.